everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Starboard, curar niveles e outras funções.
3% logo ne hi mere channel ko subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara mengatur.
皆さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord and Zombie Extraction Quest Game have partnered up and giving away 700 orbs. Now to claim it, you need to simply click Get the Game by clicking the 3 dots button. Also, this is only for the PC. But the weird thing for me is, this game is not yet available in my region. That's why I can't download it. I mean, I can use the VPN, but it would take forever considering my internet speed, so please let me know if the game is available in your countries. If so, then write down in the comment below if you got 700 orbs. After getting the orbs, you can claim your 3 days Nitro. I'm sure by now, you should be able to afford it. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button and join my Discord server for free decors and layouts.